Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm going to show you how to delete all your story archive on Facebook. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First of all, you're going to click on your menu right here. You'll go back. Let me go back. Yeah, you will go to your menu right here and you will go to settings, privacy, and you're going to click on settings. Afterwards, you're going to just swipe down for a little bit and you will see the activity log, and you will see right here. So we're gonna click on it and you're gonna see the archive. So we're gonna just press the archive, and here it says no items, and you're gonna click on your story archive above left, and you will see all the story archive that you have on here. If you have stories that you posted years ago, and if your account is old and you have many stories, so you can see it all archived in here, and you can delete it and save it. That depends on your account. That depends on you, basically. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.